Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to block a show in Netflix and how to prevent access to certain movies or TV shows. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to your Netflix account. Let me get back with you. So this is your main screen. You have to click on My Netflix on the bottom right of the screen. After that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on Account. And on Account, click on the link on the top of the screen. Just wait a little bit, click Continue, and Manage Account. You have to enter your email and password for your Netflix account. Click Sign In. And after that, click on View All Settings. Scroll down a little bit until you find an option called Edit Settings. And here, go to Adjust Parental Controls. Click on it. After that, here we have to confirm our password again. Click on Submit. And here, as you can see, there is this option, Title Restrictions for my profile. I can enter the name of any TV show. For example, I will enter Squid Game. So for example, I can restrict Squid Game. So Squid Game will not be shown in my profile again. Just a small information. Here you are restricting the TV shows and the movies from your profile, but not from the account. It's very important information. It's from your profile, not from the account. You can't block any TV show or anything from the account. You can block it only from the profile. And of course, after that, you have just to click on Save. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.